Hi and hello, welcome to the Why I Moved to Florida channel. My name is Christopher Beverly. I'm here to turn your dreams into keys. Today we're in wonderful Sanford, Florida, checking out this wonderful property. It's priced at $465,000, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, brand new home. Let's go check it out. Now we have limited style floors throughout the whole home. The home opens up to your wonderful living quarters. Nice oversized living room. We got shaker style cabinets. Really lovely tile, very interesting choice as well. But it opens up into your grand living quarters. Now, if you have an elderly family member, there is 1 bedroom downstairs with a full bath, or it could be an office or just an additional bedroom. But first off, we have the laundry room, which is nice. It's not near all the other bedrooms. Have a nice full bath, nice shower. And then over here is the 1 bedroom that is downstairs. Has a closet as well. Nice size closet. Next, we're going to take you to the 2-car garage. And it has an epoxy floor already, which is great, because that definitely costs money, and it's already done. Plenty of space for everything you need. I'm about 6 feet. You could do the storage that hangs from the ceiling if you need additional storage. It's a pretty big home though, so if you do run out of storage, you have some options. Next, let's go check out the upstairs. Plenty of great lighting here, recessed lighting. Brand new home. We're minutes away from downtown Sanford, minutes away from the Orlando Sanford Airport. It flies to London, it flies to Key West, and about 70 other cities. All right, first we're gonna check out the primary suite. Check out the vaulted ceilings here with the recessed lighting, very nice. Dual vanity, and a pretty big shower. Pretty big shower, nice. Watch your head once you buy the house. And we have the water closet and the master closet, which is quite a good amount of space. You have the his and her sides, or honestly, it'll probably just be her everywhere, and then the 1 rack in the center. Let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms. Before we get to the other 2 bedrooms, I want to talk about the bath that's upstairs here. It's a nice full bath. It could be shared by siblings or shared by your relatives that are living with you or staying with you. All the bedrooms are a decent size as well. Pretty standard closet. Let's go check out the other one. This closet is a little bit bigger. So the siblings might be fighting over the bigger closet. But yeah, this room is slightly smaller than the other to account for the bigger closet. So this can be a nursery potentially. But yeah, if you're looking to buy a home in this area in Sanford, this particular home can be bought with no down payment, also no PMI. I'll put all the information in the description below so you can get qualified. It's free to apply, so no worries there. If you have any additional questions, my contact information is below, as I do free buyers consultations to serve you. I'll be posting house videos just like this very regularly, so feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you on the next one.